welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get into this video. So I did go ahead and purchase a new LED lamp. I decided it was time to get a new one, and I decided to go with this one. I will link it down below along with my old one. They're both from Amazon, and I'm just showing you guys what comes in the box. It comes with a light, the little adapter, 2 pamphlets, one showing the actual instructions on how to use it, and a gel polish application guide. So it also comes with these little sticky tabs that you can put on the bottom to have grip on your table. And in this box, like I said, it comes with the adapter. You go ahead and plug in, and then this does have a detachable bottom, which is what I really wanted. So I took that off. I took off the film layer on both sides, and I went ahead and applied the little sticky tabs off of camera. And now you guys will see on the back it has 10 seconds, 30, and 60, and then it also has a 90-second low heat mode as well. You can just put your hand in and it turns on, or you can press one of those buttons. So I'm really excited to use this. Now let's get straight into this nail set. So I went ahead and pre-prepped, put on my tips and all of that stuff off camera, and I am using the not polished XXX bond. I do put 2 coats of that on. I only show you guys 1 coat, but I do put on 2. And I am going to use my number 6 acrylic brush first to go ahead and apply a thin layer of clear down on all of my nails, as I always do. And then I'm also going to use that brush to do my marbling. So this is my first video doing marble with acrylic, and it's my first time actually doing marble with acrylic, and I love how it came out. It was so fun to do, and it's really like a design that you can't mess up because it's so random, if that makes sense. But I love how this set came out. So I used the number 6 for the whole process except for the encapsulating part, and I do switch to the number 10. Unfortunately, when I was recording the encapsulation part, when I went back to edit, it unfortunately is very blurry, so I'm sorry I didn't show you guys that. But I am doing a French on my thumb and on my ring finger. So I went ahead and put on this nude color that I will show you guys all the colors I'm using after I apply it. And now I'm just crisping up that smile line, making it nice and even and sharp, so that way when I go ahead to just encapsulate, it is already nice and shaped. And I made sure to make it high enough to give me the strength, the apex, if you will, of the nail. And I'm just going ahead and just kind of smoothing it out a little bit. I left some of these clips in real time so you guys could see like how long it takes me to do different things, not necessarily the acrylic application part, but like this I did leave in a real time. So after I have finished shaping up this French bed, I am just gonna go straight into the marbling. And I did do like a little practice nail before I started recording just to see how easy it would be, and it's very easy. So if you guys want a cool but easy design, I highly recommend trying to do marble. You guys can use 2 colors, you guys can use 3 colors, you guys can use 4 colors, and just kind of mix it up and make it your own. But I just decided, because Valentine's Day is coming up and those are the types of nails that I am going to be doing up until then, I just figured why not do some pink and purple with a little bit of white. And I really like how this set came out, so I'm just going to let you guys watch this process. of the acrylic powders that I'm using, that not polished one, is actually a glow in the dark. After I put it in my LED light, I put it under my table and it was glowing. So if you guys have it, then you guys know it glows in the dark, but I thought that was pretty cool. Now I want to do a full set with just that color to see how it would look in the dark. But anyways, unfortunately my camera was not in focus doing the encapsulation, so I'm sorry about that, but I did encapsulate all of my nails after I just did the marble and I like the placement. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and file. I actually did these pretty good, so I didn't have to do too much filing, which was great because I was already doing these nails for like 2 hours, so I was just tired. So I am so happy that I actually did a pretty good application process, which is what I've been trying to focus on, so I don't have to do as much filing, so that definitely helped. So I took an 80/80 file, filed the sides, smoothed out the surface. Now I'm just taking an Arbor band on a mandrel bit, and I am just going to go around the cuticles and smooth it out once more across the whole surface. Now I'm just taking a 240 file, and then I'm gonna go ahead and buff and then cleanse the nails. So I decided on the Frenches. I am going to just put some gold foil on that smile line. Even though they actually looked pretty good, I decided I think it needed some sort of sparkle or something, so I decided to use the gold foil. I'm just using base coat to adhere it, and I'm just picking up some little pieces and I am just putting it along there. I do take my finger and just kind of make sure it's nice and flat, so when I do put top coat on, it's not all bumpy. And now I'm going to go ahead and take some stickers and then just go ahead and place those randomly on the other nails, along with some small pieces of the gold foil as well. And then all is left to do is top coat these nails. I decided to top coat these in a shiny top coat. I just thought it would look much better than matte. Plus I have matte on my other hand right now, and I have just been wanting some shiny nails. So guys, I actually really like this LED light. It seems very powerful, and yeah, I mean, this was my first time using it, so if for whatever reason I don't like it, I will let you guys know in a future video. But this is how the nails turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye!